I'm Sanjay from WEECE Media, and we are a global media company, and we cover conferences, exhibitions, and we would like to seek your inputs on the conferences and your journey to this place, and about your organizations and various challenges that you face, and how do you see for your company in the coming 5 years. So, starting from an introduction from you about you and your organization, please.
Myself, Rahul Didigam, and I'm an operations and sales manager over Race Lab Equipment. This company is 6 years old company. We are into quality control equipment manufacturing. We supply a tablet dissolution tester, hardness tester, disintegration tester, leak test apparatus, and many other instruments. We are majorly into upgradations, like CFR 21 Part 11 compliance is our company's main thing. And we are not like white elephants in any other in the market. We will be at a reasonable price, and our major motive is to committed to deliver the best. Like at last, customer should be the happiest person by taking our equipment. That's what we feel. And our future plans are like right now we are majorly into South India, so we want to expand into North India also. We are looking for that.
What are your products?
Yeah, we are into quality control instruments like dissolution tester, tablet dissolution tester, tablet disintegration tester, and leak test apparatus.
Alright.
Yeah. Majorly into quality control instruments of lab.
So these are customized, or they are the
No,
product
these are made as per the USP, United States Pharmacopoeia chapters, and yeah.
What is the turnover as of now?
As of the turnover, around somewhere around 1.5 to 2 CR.
How old is this company?
6 years old.
6 years old. What is the manpower that you have?
We have around 25 people working in central office, and we have dealers all across South India and North India. We are expanding.
Any challenges that you are facing?
Yeah, in pharma market, the major obstacle is like we are unable to reach our end users directly because they don't. They will be only available in this kind of exhibitions only. We are unable to meet them directly. But yeah, fine. Compliance is the major issue here.
Compliance is the major issue. So
But we are able to do that.
Okay. Any suggestions to the media regarding your products?
Showcase us and give us more inquiries.
Okay. Fine. Anything else you want to say?
Nothing.
So here we have Mr. Rahul Didigam, who is the general manager at Race Lab Equipment, giving his inputs and suggestions. And on behalf of WEECE Media, we would like to thank you and your team.
Thank you so much.
And we would hope that you come again to this event, and we meet again.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you so much.